Hey family, welcome back to Mocha at Marchelle's. I'm your host, Stavonne Marchelle, and today I want to have a real conversation, just you and me. This episode is called Life Happens, and it's kind of a reintroduction, not just of who I am professionally, but who I am becoming as a woman, a mom, and a human, being and doing her very best every single day. Over the past years, people have known me as the real estate professional, the entrepreneur, the one with the coffee cups and the open houses, and yes, all of that is still me. But what I've learned is that even with all the credentials, the degrees, the planning, and the vision boards, life still has its own plan. I've faced divorce, business shutdowns, disappointments, and transitions I never saw coming. And what I realized through all of it is that we're all just making the best decisions we can with the information and the resources we have at the time. You know, for a long time, I thought if I just checked all the boxes, school, marriage, career, home ownership, that somehow I'd protected myself. I'd be protected from the storms of life. But life isn't a checklist, it's a curriculum. It teaches you through both the blessings and the breakdowns. And sometimes what we call failure is just life redirecting us to where we actually belong. So when I say life happens, I'm not saying it in a defeated way. I'm saying it as a reminder that even when things fall apart, you're not falling behind. You're learning, evolving, and repositioning for what's next. Perfect planning doesn't prevent pain, but it does prepare you to rebuild stronger. So if you're listening today and you've been hard on yourself because your story doesn't look the way you thought it would, take a breath. You're not alone. I want this season of Mocha at Marchelle's to be about giving ourselves permission to be human, to celebrate our wins, own our lessons, and show up authentically, even when it's messy, because life happens. But we're still here, still growing, and still called to something greater. So that's where we're starting, with truth, transparency, and a little bit of grace. Thank you for being here with me. Make sure to subscribe, share this episode, and connect with me on Instagram. And remember, even when life happens, you can still choose how the story continues.